everyone, in this video we are going to look into the double question essays which appears in the IELTS writing section. Now let us see what is a double question essay. In IELTS writing task 2, a double question essay question requires you to address two separate questions or tasks within a single essay response. This essay prompt often presents two distinct issues, perspectives, or aspects of a topic that you must analyze, discuss, or evaluate. Now let us look into the general structure which you need to follow when you are attempting a double question essay. So what is the general structure? So let us see what will be included in the introduction. Start with a general statement or a background information related to the topic. So that is the first thing you need to take a note of. Then after that you need to paraphrase the given prompt to show your understanding and present a thesis statement outlining your approach to addressing both questions. So this should be included in your introduction. Now when it comes to your body paragraph 1, you need to cater to the first question or issue first. Start with a topic sentence addressing the first question or issue from the prompt. Provide supporting points or arguments related to first question. Include relevant examples, statistics, or evidence to reinforce your points. And lastly, use transitional phrases to maintain coherence while shifting to the second question. So this should be included in your body paragraph 1. Now let us see what you need to include in your body paragraph 2. Second question or issue. So you need to cater to the second question or the issue in the double question essay, and you need to begin with a clear topic sentence focusing on the second question or issue. Discuss this aspect separately, providing arguments, examples to support your viewpoint. Ensure that the content directly relates to the second part of the prompt. Yes, and lastly, what you need to pay attention to is use linking words to connect ideas and maintain coherence. So if you take care of these things in your body paragraph 2, it will be easier to score high in your writing section. Now the third part is the body paragraph 3. This is optional. It is a balanced perspective or additional viewpoint. Okay, now here you, if necessary or if time permits, include a third body paragraph that may offer a balanced perspective or address an additional aspect related to both questions, and use this paragraph to reinforce your overall argument or to provide more nuanced viewpoint. So this paragraph is optional. If you have time, then you need to include this in your essay. Now conclusion. In conclusion, what you need to include. Firstly, you need to summarize the main points discussed in the body paragraphs related to both questions. Then you need to reinstate your thesis statement or opinion, reaffirming your stance or the topic, and provide a concluding statement emphasizes the significance of your arguments or suggests potential implications. So this should be your conclusion, and that summarizes your essay. Yes? Okay, let us look into the example. Nowadays, many people do not repair old things to use them further and throw old things away when they buy new things. What factors cause these phenomenon and what effects this phenomenon has? So this is an example of a double question essay. Now let us see how you will cater to this particular question with the structure. Firstly, the introduction. The modern trend of discarding old possessions rather than repairing them for continued use is influenced by multiple factors. Primarily, consumer culture and economic influences perpetuate the belief that newer possessions signify enhanced status or satisfaction. Advertising and marketing strategies continuously promote the allure of the latest models, fostering a mentality that upgrading frequently is necessary. Consequently, individuals opt to discard older items when newer versions become available, considering repairs as inconvenient or economically unviable. Now let us see what we can include in body paragraph 1. You can further state that moreover, technological complexities contribute significantly to this behavior. Many contemporary products, particularly electronic devices, are designed with intricate internal components, making DIY repairs challenging and impractical. Manufacturers often employ sealed casings or integrate parts, discouraging repair attempts. The perception that repairs are cumbersome or costly further drives individuals to discard old possessions and purchase new ones instead. Yes, so now let us see what we can include in body paragraph 2. This trend bears far-reaching implications, notably on the environment and consumer behavior. The disposal of old items leads to increased environmental degradation and waste accumulation. Electronic waste, in particular, contributes to landfills, releasing toxic substances that pollute soil and water, endangering ecosystems and human health. Further, you can also say, additionally, this behavior fuels a culture of excessive consumerism, prioritizing immediate gratification over sustainability and durability. It perpetuates resource depletion and economic disparities, impacting individuals' financial well-being and reinforcing a disposable consumerist mindset. Okay, and let us see what we can include in the conclusion. Now, in conclusion, we can say that in conclusion, the choice to discard old possessions instead of repairing them is driven by consumer culture, economic influences, and technological complexities. It affects encompass environmental degradation, resource depletion, and perpetuation of a disposal consumerist mindset, encouraging sustainable consumption practices, promoting repairable designs, and raising awareness about responsible consumption are imperative to address these challenges. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on this type of content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.